So there's this really cool set of microbes that can actually metabolize carbon sources and secrete electrons. So they can generate energy from their metabolism. And one of the carbon sources that they can use are pollutants and wastewater. So we can actually clean wastewater while also generating energy. And we can engineer these microbes to also act as environmental sensors. So if there's a pollutant that we want to detect and even destroy, we can engineer these microbes to do that for us. So our lab is interested in everything from understanding the fundamental behavior of these microbes all the way to developing complete devices. So we are interested in understanding the microscale interactions between these cells and an electrode surface, and also figuring out how to harness that to make a device that could be deployed, say, in the field in an agricultural setting to detect pesticides, or as an actual wastewater treatment system that would be kind of self-regulating because it would generate the energy it needed to actually clean the water. So I've always been motivated by the phrase benchtop to bedside, and I think kind of a lot of academic research gets stuck in between those two. And even at MIT, with all of the internal resources, I think it can be challenging to actually develop technology that is commercializable. So having industry partnerships would really enable us to take what we're trying to do and apply it at the bedside for real world impact, especially in the healthcare space and in clean energy and cleaning up the environment in a way that's really impossible without industry partnerships, without kind of that scalability and accessibility to knowledge about how pipelines work. I definitely feel like the ILP is a huge resource here that is not available at other institutions. I think the kind of accessibility of industry connections is pretty unique at MIT, and the emphasis that's put on working on projects that are translatable is often not found in academic settings, and it's really exciting to be at a place that not only encourages that, but actively tries to support that with programs like the ILP and the technology transfer offices.